Welcome to Forging Invincible Businesses.
Welcome to Forging Invincible Businesses. This masterclass is the foundation of our Growth Academy and is based on 3 pillars.
The first, the flux capacitor of modern education. This is our approach to entrepreneurial education.
Number 2, our principles of design, test, learn, and evolve.
And the third pillar is all about implementing proven practices.
This masterclass is the result of a purposeful design to help established entrepreneurs acquire new skills to innovate and grow their small business.
This purposeful design will help you to shape and strengthen your business and, of course, implement strategies too powerful to be defeated.
During multiple days, you will immerse yourself in a high-impact masterclass through engagement and transfer energy, which we call heat, from proven practices to fuel your success.
Then you go back and shape your business by hammering it, shaping it, strengthen, sharpen, and make your business durable, so much so that it becomes invincible.
We know that entrepreneurs learn better when you're having fun. Our masterclass is designed in a comfortable setting conducive to solving problems, applying collective experiences, and making new connections, all to challenge you to transfer these experiences into your entrepreneurial engine. Remember the movie Back to the Future? The DeLorean's flux capacitor was the critical innovation that allowed for time travel. Much like in the movie, the flux capacitor of modern education helps you move forward into the future of building an invincible business. Welcome to our masterclass. I forgot sharp. I forgot sharp.
I was so close.